Bringing it all together, demonstrative pronouns in context. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of demonstrative pronouns. They're the unsung heroes of English grammar that bring clarity and cohesion to our sentences. We'll specifically focus on how to use demonstrative pronouns to refer to ideas or situations. Let's start with a quick refresher. Demonstrative pronouns are simple but powerful. They are this, that, these, and those. They help us identify and distinguish things or ideas, whether they are near or far, singular or plural. This and these refer to things close to us. That and those point out things far from us. Before we discuss how to use demonstrative pronouns for ideas or situations, let's talk about their use for physical objects. Imagine you're in a room full of furniture. You can say, "This chair is comfortable," or "Those paintings are beautiful." Here, this and those are helping us indicate which specific items we're talking about. The beauty of language is that it's not just about physical things. We often use it to express abstract concepts, feelings, and situations. Here's where demonstrative pronouns show their real power. Consider the sentence, "That is unbelievable." Here, that refers not to a physical thing, but to an idea, event, or situation that's just been discussed. In conversations, we often use demonstrative pronouns to refer back to something mentioned earlier or to point forward to something we're about to discuss. It's a way of saying, "Pay attention, here's something important." For example, in a debate, someone might say, "This is the point I've been trying to make." This here refers to the idea or argument just presented. There you have it. Demonstrative pronouns are more than just pointers for objects. They are versatile tools that can refer to ideas or situations, providing a reference point in our conversations and writings. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using them effortlessly. Remember, learning a language is a journey. Every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to fluency. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning,